Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. NumPy is a powerful library in Python that provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, as well as a collection of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. While NumPy primarily uses fixed-size arrays, it allows for dynamic behavior through the creation of new arrays and manipulation of existing ones. What is a NumPy array? A NumPy array is a grid of values, all of the same type, and is indexed by a tuple of non-negative integers. The number of dimensions is referred to as the rank of the array, and each dimension is called an axis. Creating a NumPy array. You can create a NumPy array using several methods, including np.array, create an array from a Python list or tuple. np.zeros, create an array filled with zeros. np.ones, create an array filled with ones. np.arrange, create an array with a range of numbers. np.linspace, create an array with a specified number of evenly spaced values. Installing NumPy. If you haven't already installed NumPy, you can do so using pip. Example, creating and manipulating dynamic arrays. Here's a tutorial that demonstrates how to create and manipulate NumPy arrays, simulating dynamic behaviors. Explanation of the code. 1. Creating an initial array. We start by creating a simple NumPy array with the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. Adding elements. Instead of modifying the existing array, we create a new array using np.append, that includes the new elements. 3. Removing elements. We remove an element using np.delete, which returns a new array without the specified element. 4. Resizing the array. We can resize an array using np.resize, but keep in mind that this might lead to data loss if the new shape has fewer elements than the original. 5. Adding a row or column. We can stack arrays using np.vstack, to add a new row. 6. Reshaping the array. Finally, we reshape the array to a different dimension using reshape. Conclusion. While NumPy arrays are not inherently dynamic, in the sense that you can't change their size after creation, you can achieve similar functionality by creating new arrays based on existing ones. The methods provided allow you to manipulate arrays flexibly, enabling a dynamic-like behavior. Feel free to modify the example code and experiment with different array manipulations.